Hello. Hi, welcome to our channel again. Thanks for watching our videos. Thank you for supporting us. Today is another day and we are ready to show you another food today. We had like last week, we had like exercising and we are here in this very hot summer in California, in Los Angeles. And today I'm going to go for a traditional food. So traditional Persian food actually is like Iranian food, and it's called chelo kebab kubide. It's chelo kebab, which is like the mostly they know it in the U.S. They know it like it's called a shish kebab or something. So I'm so excited for it. That's a long recipe to do. Like it takes a longer time because you have to freeze it. You have to do all these things. I'm gonna explain it to you all. And thank you. Okay, we have our lamb rack here. I'm gonna chop it. I'm removing the bone out of it. So I make it to the small pieces, like the meat that you're preparing for the stew. So I'm making to small pieces. So let's see how much meat do we have. It's 679 grams, which is around like roughly around like 1.5 pound. And we need double the beef meat, so I prepared it around like 1300. So, and then we have to put them all in the grinder. So we need to use all the 3 blades in the grinder. So one of them is a large one. I'm gonna put it in, which is see it in here, and also I have the different sizes. Let's see with the first one. Okay, it's ready for the first set. Now I'm changing the blades. So I'm going one lower. So let's see. With this one, I'm going to grind it again. The whole meat that I grinded before. So let's go for it. So this time is my onion. I'm using like a small or medium size actually. A medium size onion, and then I'm grinding it with the smallest one. So with the smallest blade actually. I mean, so we'll see. And after I'm grinding it, I'm going to remove the water out of it. So then we go from there. Then that's the time I put my spices, my turmeric, which was like a actually half a teaspoon, and then I have my black pepper. Then I put my paprika, which is like all of them are like a half a teaspoon, and then the main part of it is putting baking soda, which is I'm putting like around like a half a teaspoon. Or just a little bit more. And then I'm adding 2 tablespoons of salt. And as you see, I'm putting all of them here to my onion here. So I'm mixing with the onion, and then this product is ready, and then I'm adding to the meat that I have. So I'm mixing this onion, like marinated actually, the onion with the whole meat that I have, and then again I'm going to grind it with the smallest blade. Okay, now the meat is ready, but one thing, I have to put it in the refrigerator for like 3 hours, because when you put it on the skewer, it doesn't stick to the skewer. And so with this way, we put it, we make it get a stick to the skewer, and then it's going to be ready to get cooked after 3 hours. So I put it in the refrigerator. That's a long process, as I said in the first time. Let's see. Now is the time to make our cello, which we have to use rice, and rice is a high carb. So as we see again, I'm making a rice cauliflower. And then again, I'm going to fry it, same like many other food that I made it. And the key part here is saffron. As you see here, I put the saffron in here in the cup, and then I'm putting a boiling water in it, and I'm also adding a little bit of sugar to it. Actually, this is not the real sugar. This is a sweetener, which is like a brown sugar-free sweetener. And as I told you, like, I'm putting the boiling water in it, and I put something on the top of the cup, and I'm waiting for my saffron to get ready, and then I'm going to add it to the cauliflower. So, as always, we put the salt in the cauliflower and putting the oil to it, adding the oil actually, and then I put it on the oven. Okay, so my saffron water is ready. I put it in the cauliflower. I'm adding it to the cauliflower, and I see a little bit of saffron. I don't want to miss it. It's expensive spice, so I'm adding it, the whole thing, to the cauliflower rice, and I mix all that together, and then I'm going to put the lid on the top, and we wait for it to get ready. So the main part is putting the meat on the skewer. So this is like you have to use one of the things that you use. It's like a cold water. Put it in the bowl, and once you touch the meat, and then put your hand on the bowl, like water, cold water as well. But this way, the meat doesn't stick to your hand. Okay, the time now is to putting on the grill. So first thing, your grill needs to be preheated. With this way, your meat doesn't fall. So our grill is here, and then we put it on there. And our tomatoes, which the main part for me is tomatoes. With chelokebab, you need to have like tomato. Tomato is a good combination with meat. So I turned it around, just let you know that when you make this kebab, when you put it on the grill, just turn it around quickly, because you don't want it like one part gets heavy, one part gets like not that as heavy, so the meat just fall down. And you want to cook it evenly. Okay. Our food is ready. As you see, I make it like a little bit nicer. I put it in my cauliflower in a cup, and then I turned it back on a plate, so it shape looks nice. It looks like a cello to me. I put my tomatoes in it. My kebab is ready. I put the kebab in one side of a dish. And one of the things that is important in chelokebab is Somac. Somac is a spice that you use it with kebab. It takes the fat from your body and a good combination. It's a little bit sour, a good combination with your meat. Okay, our cello kebab is ready. Thank you. Thank you for watching our video today. That was a hard thing to do actually. And I hope you enjoyed it, you liked it. Please share it to your friends, to your family, and please subscribe to our channel. Please like our videos. Please support us in this journey. Support me in my journey. We're going to the gym, we're going to the keto diet food, and I'm trying to lose weight. Thank you. Peace.